Pappu, where are you? Let's wear our raincoats and go out to play. Wow, it's a green raincoat.
Huh? Hi, raincoat. For me?
Here, Pappu, a red umbrella.
Yay, red umbrella. Kanmani, where do we start first?
First, we jump in the water. And then we make paper boats. And then we watch the rainbow.
Hey, look at this. A small swimming pool. Come, Chicky, come. Jump, jump. Huh? Hey! It'll be so much fun if we float paper boats here. Go, go. Chicky, my boat is going faster than you. Hey, Chicky, you're just cheating. I don't accept this. No. Yes, I'm cheating. So? Here. At least take a shower today.
Hey, Chitti Pappu.
Chitty Pappo.
Hey, Chitti Pappu, it's been raining. You have to walk slowly like Kanmani, okay? I did not fall down. That was fully intentional.
Kanmani. Wait for me. Oh, you both will never change. I'm going to complain to Mom.
Oh, wow. Look at how beautiful the lakes and ponds look, overflowing with the rainwater.
Yes, Kanmani, you're right. The surrounding greenery and breeze feels so good.
Okay, it's getting too late. Mom will be looking for us.
Kids have been out in the rain for so long.
You could have had a little more fun in the rain before coming back.
Oh, what? I thought you scolded them, but now you joined with them. What a mom are you?
Hey, Pappu.
Ooh, smells yummy. Granny is making something delicious for us.
Oh, kids, you're back? Come. I'm making these delicious jalebis for you, kids.
We will also help you by eating the jalebi.
Hey kids, the rainbow's clear outside. Come, let's see it.
You know the rainbow comes out only after the rain.
Wow, the rainbow looks so beautiful.
Yes, they're almost as colorful as the never-ending candies Kanmani
Hey,
eats.
Chitti, I don't eat that many candies.
Yes, I totally believe you,